Guys, it's now possible to generate a cinematic AI video up to 30 seconds long with just a single prompt. But before I explain anything, take a look at this video first.
Good morning, everyone. Today we'll talk about one of the most impressive AI video models available today, Seedance 2.5. Seedance 2.5 delivers outstanding motion consistency, follows prompts accurately, creates cinematic camera movements, generates realistic human expressions, and maintains excellent scene consistency for storytelling.
Amazing.
If you're serious about AI filmmaking, Seedance 2.5 is definitely worth learning. Thank you. Keep learning, keep creating.
The video you just watched was generated using ByteDance's latest AI video model, Seedance 2.5. Seedance 2.5 is an advanced AI video model that can generate cinematic videos using text, image, video, and audio references. One of its biggest highlights is that it can create videos up to 30 seconds long in a single generation, making the workflow for creating longer AI videos much simpler. So if you also want to use Seedance 2.5, in this video I'll show you step by step how to use it on the xmk.com, how to generate videos from text prompts, and how to create even better AI videos using image, video, and audio references. Hey guys, welcome back to TechJeet. Without wasting any time, let's head over to the xmk.com and see how to use Seedance 2.5 in a practical way. To get started, simply click the link provided in the description or the pinned comment. Once you open the link, you'll be taken directly to the XMK website. First, click the login button in the top right corner and sign up or log in using your Google account. After logging in, you'll see an interface like this. At the top, you'll also find the previous Seedance models, but today we're going to use its latest version, Seedance 2.5. To generate videos, you'll find two options, text to video and reference generation. Let's start with the text to video feature. Click on text to video and then describe your complete video idea in the prompt box. For better results, don't just mention the subject. Also include the action, environment, camera movement, and lighting in your prompt. The model will already be set to Seedance 2.5. Next, choose your preferred aspect ratio. Set the resolution to 720p. Then select the video duration, which can range from 4 seconds up to 30 seconds. For this demonstration, we'll choose the maximum duration. Now click Generate Video. After a short processing time, your AI video will be ready. Let's watch the generated result.
Good morning, everyone. Today we'll talk about one of the most impressive AI video models available today, Seedance 2.5. Seedance 2.5 delivers outstanding motion consistency, follows prompts accurately, creates cinematic camera movements, generates realistic human expressions, and maintains excellent scene consistency for storytelling.
Amazing.
If you're serious about AI filmmaking, Seedance 2.5 is definitely worth learning. Thank you. Keep learning, keep creating.
So far, the process has been pretty simple. Now let's take a look at another powerful feature of Seedance 2.5, reference generation. With this feature, you can upload up to 50 reference files, including 30 images, 10 videos, and 10 audio files. These references help the AI better understand your creative vision, giving you much more control over the final output. Click on Upload Assets and upload your images, videos, or audio references, then describe your desired video in the prompt box. If you want to refer to a specific uploaded asset, simply type @ and tag that asset in your prompt. The model will remain set to Seedance 2.5. Now choose the aspect ratio, resolution, and video duration, then click Generate Video. The AI will analyze both your references and prompt before generating the video. Let's take a look at the final result.
Please, somebody help us!
Mom, I'm scared.
Team, this family comes first. Move! You're safe now, I promise. Move, it's collapsing!
You're very brave.
Thank you.
Now that we've seen how to use Seedance 2.5 on XMK, let's quickly go through some of its key features. Seedance 2.5 can generate videos up to 30 seconds long in a single generation, making it useful for longer scenes and storytelling. It supports not only text prompts but also image, video, and audio references. With support for up to 50 multimodal references, creators get much greater control over the final output. Seedance 2.5 is also designed to understand detailed prompts more accurately, increasing the chances of getting the desired result. Another interesting feature in the Seedance model family is local redraw editing. which allows you to modify a specific object or element without regenerating the entire scene. This can be especially useful for product advertisements and commercial workflows. If you'd like to try Seedance 2.5 yourself, you'll find the link in the video description and the pinned comment. Simply click the link to visit the XMK website, start using Seedance 2.5 and generate your own AI videos. Be sure to experiment with different prompts and reference assets to get the best possible results. So guys, that was the complete guide on how to use Seedance 2.5 on the XMK website. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like this video. Let me know in the comments what kind of AI videos you'd like to create using Seedance 2.5. And if you're interested in AI tools, AI tutorials, and the latest technology updates, make sure to subscribe to TechZeet. I'll see you in the next video. Until then, thank you for watching.